If you're watching this video, it's probably because the universe meant for you to see it, so keep watching. Have you ever thought about why some people find it easy to get rich, while others always seem to have a hard time? What if there's a secret way to make money that most people don't know about? We're going to look into a part of finance that's mysterious and not often talked about, the secret side of money. You might think getting rich is all about having a good job or being born into a wealthy family, but there's something else important. The big secret is understanding that money is more than just coins and paper. It's actually a kind of energy. That's right, energy. Imagine money as a moving stream, always flowing, changing its way and helping everything it touches. You might be wondering how this energy works and how you can use it to bring more wealth and success into your life. That's a really important question, and we're here to find the answer. Think of money not just as something you can hold in your hand, but as a living, moving energy. This idea is really interesting. The idea that money is energy has been around for a long time. The word currency even comes from a Latin word that means to run or flow. Money is often compared to energy because it acts in similar ways. It doesn't get made or disappear. It just changes from one form to another. It goes from person to person, from one bank account to another, always moving, always being used. But there's more to money than just buying things. It has an emotional side too. Think about how you feel when you get paid, or when you find some extra money by surprise. You feel happy, excited, maybe even relieved. That shows how powerful money can be, not just in your wallet, but in your feelings too. Here's the really interesting part. Just like any kind of energy, the way we interact with money affects our ability to bring it into our lives. The kind of energy you put out into the world is the same kind you get back. When you think of money with gratitude, positivity, and respect, you're more likely to bring it into your life. On the other hand, if you link money with negative feelings like stress or the fear of not having enough, that's the kind of energy you send out, and that's what you'll end up attracting. It's a cycle. Your feelings and thoughts about money, the energy you give to it, will shape how you deal with money. It's not just about working harder or smarter to make more money. It's about changing your energy, your way of thinking, and how you see money. It's about realizing that money isn't just something you can touch, but a kind of energy that you can draw to yourself, guide, and control. The energy of money is like a garden. Just as a garden needs care and attention to grow, your financial health needs to be nurtured. Think of planting seeds of positive thoughts and actions about money. Take care of them with patience and consistency, and watch as they grow into a wealthy future. This way of thinking changes how we interact with money every day. Understanding the energy of money also means recognizing how it moves in our lives. It's important to find a balance. Spend wisely, save carefully, and invest smartly. Every financial decision is like adjusting the sails on a boat, helping you navigate the waters of economic stability and growth. When you line up your financial habits with the natural movement of money's energy, you open the door to new opportunities and wealth. Besides, learning about financial management and investment strategies is key. Knowledge is power, especially in finance. Arm yourself with the tools and understanding you need to make smart decisions. This knowledge, combined with a positive attitude, can lead to financial success. The law of attraction shows a simple but deep idea. What we focus on, we attract. When you think about money in a positive way, it tends to come towards you. Let's look closer at this idea. Understand that the law of attraction isn't about magically making money appear out of nowhere. It's really about how our thoughts, beliefs, and actions work together. Think of it as a mirror that reflects what's inside us. If you give off negative vibes, you'll probably face tough situations. But if you have a positive attitude, especially about money, you'll attract good financial experiences. It's more about your mindset than magic. How we see money is really important. If you think of it as something rare and hard to get, it will probably stay out of your reach. But if you see it as something abundant and flowing freely, it tends to come your way more easily. This isn't about ignoring the financial problems you might have. It's about changing how you see things to find new chances. Think about it. If you just accept that you're going to have money troubles, the choices you make will probably keep you stuck in that mindset. You might avoid taking chances, miss out on opportunities, and hesitate to spend money on making yourself better. On the other hand, if you believe that you can be financially successful, your decisions will reflect that belief. You'll be more open to seeing opportunities, willing to take sensible risks, and ready to invest in your own growth. The law of attraction isn't something that works all by itself. It's part of a bigger plan that needs you to take action and be committed. You can't just imagine being rich and expect it to happen. But you can create a way of thinking that sees the possibility of wealth in your life and then make moves based on that. This law is about making sure your thoughts and actions are in line with your money goals. It's about believing in your ability to create wealth and taking steps to make it happen. Changing your financial outlook starts with visualization, a powerful way to shape your future. Picture yourself in the financial situation you want, like being debt-free, owning your dream home, or having enough money to travel. When you visualize, you're telling your subconscious that these aren't just daydreams, but real goals you can achieve. Then there are affirmations. These are positive statements you tell yourself to fight off negative thoughts and doubts about money. Affirmations can help you think more positively. For example, saying things like, "I attract wealth easily," or "prosperity comes to me in abundance." Make these affirmations personal, powerful, and about the present. Forget the past and focus on what's happening now and what you want for the future. Gratitude, or being thankful for what you have, no matter how small, can attract more good things to you. It's easy to focus on what you don't have, but paying attention to what you do have can change how you think and bring more of what you want into your life. Remember, being grateful sends out a strong energy that can change your vibe from feeling like you don't have enough to feeling like you have plenty. Changing how you think about money doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and continuous practice. By practicing visualization, affirmations, and gratitude, you're laying the groundwork for a big change in your financial life. Adding mindfulness to your financial journey is another important step. Mindfulness means being fully aware of what's happening right now, including how you handle money. It helps you make decisions about money that are more deliberate and in line with your goals. It's all about being aware in your financial journey, understanding the impact of each choice you make, and avoiding spending without thinking. It's also important to set clear financial goals. Goals give you a direction and a reason to keep going. They can be short-term, like saving for a holiday, or long-term, like planning for retirement. Having specific goals can encourage you to match your actions with what you want to achieve. Write down your goals, make a plan, and keep track of your progress. Watching yourself get closer to your goals can be really motivating and fits well with the law of attraction. Networking and being around people who think like you is also important. Connect with people who have the same financial goals as you or who have already reached them. This can give you useful tips, inspiration, and chances to do better. Learning from what others have done right and wrong can help guide your own money journey and keep you from making common mistakes. Learning more about finances is crucial too. Knowledge is a big deal, especially when it comes to handling money. Read books, go to workshops, or take classes on financial literacy. Understanding different parts of finance, like investing, budgeting, and saving, gives you the power to make choices that are well-informed. This self-learning goes hand in hand with the law of attraction, getting you ready to recognize and grab financial chances. Being resilient is crucial because the path to financial success is often not easy. There will be obstacles and setbacks, but it's important to see these as chances to learn, not as failures. Resilience is about recovering from financial difficulties with a stronger and more knowledgeable approach. It means learning from your mistakes and not letting them control your financial future. Having balance is also key. While it's important to focus on your financial goals, don't let them take over every part of your life. Make sure to balance your quest for wealth with your personal well-being, relationships, and other life goals. True wealth isn't just about money, it's also about living a life that's balanced and fulfilling. This well-rounded approach fits perfectly with the law of attraction, aiming to create a life that's rich in every way, not just financially. In conclusion, it's crucial to understand that changing how you think can really change your financial situation. Money is essentially just a form of energy. When you start to see it as a useful tool that can help you reach your goals, you'll start to bring more wealth into your life. So start now. Picture your financial goals. Believe in your ability to create wealth and be thankful for what you already have. Changing your mindset makes attracting wealth much easier. Also, it's important to use these ideas in your everyday life. Understanding the law of attraction is one thing, but actually living it is another. Begin by examining your thoughts about money. Are they filled with fear and lack, or do they show a sense of plenty and confidence? Remember, money itself isn't the problem or the ultimate solution. It's a type of energy that reflects what you believe and feel inside. Changing these thoughts is the first step to a wealthier life. Adding practical habits like budgeting, investing, and spending wisely to this new way of thinking turns ideas into action. Finally, remember that building financial wealth is a journey, not a one-time event. It's about ongoing growth, learning, and adapting. Stay curious about different financial strategies. Be open to new chances and be ready to change as your situation changes. By keeping this mindset of growth and adaptability, you don't just attract wealth, you also keep and grow it. The road to financial freedom keeps going, and each step forward, driven by a positive mindset and practical actions, gets you closer to your goals. If you found our video helpful, share it and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.